So here we have the TAGRY X08 True Wireless Earbuds. Here's how it comes in the box. It does have a manual, of course the earbuds inside the case, and a charger. First glance, they are very compact, very shiny. They do come pre-charged, so that's good. You can see the percentage of the left and right at the bottom. So after 2 days of using these earphones, I've gotten some good use, some good playtime out of them. They have lasted me quite a bit. It's currently at 71%, but I did charge it for like a couple of minutes, I'll say 20, sometime between today and yesterday. But so far it's been good having these. Very compact. They fit between my earmuffs and my ears, so great for working out and just for everyday use.